On the basis of motility, bacterial cells can be classified as a truly motile and non-motile cells. If the bacterial cells, if they lack a dedicated organ of locomotion, that is flagellum, then the cells they are considered as non-motile. The cells are incapable of moving from one location to another. Sometimes the cells they are flagellated, they have a dedicated organ of locomotion, and because of the flagella which is present on the cells they are capable of performing true motility. It means that due to the flagellar movement, active motility is visible, or the cells they are capable of generating the propulsive force due to the rotations of the flagella, and because of that the cells move. This is true motility of the cells. Whenever the cells are subjected into their liquid cultures, whenever the cells are added to some liquid cultures or liquid medium, they move. The cells like Pseudomonas aeruginosa, which possess a dedicated organ of locomotion, and the cells are truly motile. Now, what is gliding motility means? Sometimes the cells they have the ability to move, but they can simply crawl on moist solid surfaces. The cells which belong to Cytophaga species, they are the classical examples of gliding motility of bacterial cells. The cells they can only show the motility or signs of motility when they are present on moist solid surfaces. And there are cells which lack the external flagella, rather the flagella is present within the cell, and these cells they perform the motility which is called as swimming motility. So these cells they have the ability to perform the swimming motility in viscous liquid fluids. For example, the causative agent of syphilis, Treponema pallidum, it is a variety of spirochete. This Treponema pallidum is capable of performing swimming motility in viscous seminal secretion. As we already know that Treponema pallidum it is a causative agent of syphilis, and syphilis is a sexually transmittable infection. And because of the motility, the cells they can spread from one individual to other individual. Now, what is Brownian movement? Sometimes the cells they appear like they are oscillating. Whenever the light hits some particles which are present in the air, the particles because of their low density they float in the air, but it appears like they are vibrating or they are oscillating. That type of movement is called as Brownian movement. The cells they move erratically in all different directions, but actually they are simply the oscillations which are caused by the turbulence. Okay, so the cell surface is negatively charged, and because of the electrolytes which are present in the surrounding, there is a possibility that when the two cells when they are brought together, they repel one another, and it appears like the cells are oscillating. Sometimes the air currents, sometimes the turbulence which is caused due to the handling of the weight mounts, it appears like the cells are moving. This type of motility is called as Brownian movement. Actually, this is not true motility. The cells they lack the organ of locomotion. They are actually non-motile, but it appears like they are erratically moving or floating or oscillating. This type of movement is very common in non-motile cells like Staph aureus.